The Antikythera Mechanism, a sophisticated ancient Greek device, is a riddle that defies the conventional timeline of scientific advancement. Imagine, for a moment, that the very notion of a heliocentric universe, a concept we attribute to Copernicus in the 16th century, was conceived and constructed by ancient Greeks over 1800 years earlier. This revelation challenges everything we know about the history of science and celestial mechanics. But how did this ancient device work, and what does it tell us about the ingenuity of the ancient world? Let's embark on a journey through time to unravel this enigma. In the depths of the Mediterranean Sea, off the coast of a small Greek island named Antikythera, a shipwreck was discovered in 1901. Among the relics pulled from the ocean floor was a corroded lump of metal and wood. Little did the divers know, they had stumbled upon a piece of history that would challenge the very foundations of our understanding of ancient science. This mysterious object, now known as the Antikythera Mechanism, was a complex astronomical calculator. The backdrop of our story is set in the Hellenistic period, a time of great intellectual and cultural exchange. The city of Alexandria in Egypt was a beacon of knowledge, where scholars and scientists from across the ancient world gathered to share ideas. It was here that the seeds of advanced scientific thought were sown, leading to innovations that would shape the future. Fast forward to the 2nd century BCE, and we find ourselves in the midst of a flourishing intellectual environment. The Antikythera Mechanism, dating back to this era, is a testament to the advanced understanding of astronomy and mathematics possessed by the ancient Greeks. It was a device so complex that it wasn't fully understood until the 20th century. This intricate assembly of gears and dials was capable of predicting astronomical positions and eclipses for centuries to come. The Antikythera Mechanism, when fully operational, was a marvel of engineering. It consisted of a series of bronze gears encased in a wooden box, adorned with brass dials and inscriptions. The front face of the mechanism displayed the positions of the Sun, Moon, and possibly the planets, while the back showcased a complex system of gears that translated the motion of the celestial bodies into measurable positions. It was an analog computer, far ahead of its time. The mechanism's primary function was to predict the positions of celestial bodies and eclipses with remarkable accuracy. The front dial, known as the Saros cycle dial, could predict lunar eclipses with an accuracy that astounded astronomers. The intricate system of gears, including a differential gear, allowed for the accurate calculation of the Moon's position relative to the Sun. This level of precision suggests that the creators of the Antikythera Mechanism had a deep understanding of the celestial mechanics that would not be matched for another 1800 years. The investigation into the Antikythera Mechanism began in earnest in the early 20th century. Early researchers were baffled by the complexity and sophistication of the device. It wasn't until the advent of modern technology that the true extent of its capabilities was revealed. High-resolution X-rays and CT scans allowed scientists to peer inside the corroded casing and reconstruct the mechanism's inner workings. One of the most compelling theories suggests that the Antikythera Mechanism was designed by a team of scholars working in Alexandria. This theory is supported by the advanced mathematical and astronomical knowledge required to create such a device. The mechanism's gears and dials are a testament to the ingenuity of the ancient Greeks, who were able to translate complex celestial phenomena into a tangible and usable form. Another theory posits that the Antikythera Mechanism was a tool for teaching and education. The intricate system of gears and dials could have served as a visual aid for students learning about astronomy and mathematics. This theory is supported by the fact that the inscriptions on the mechanism are written in a form of ancient Greek that was used for educational purposes. Despite the numerous theories and advancements in our understanding of the Antikythera Mechanism, many questions remain unanswered. Who were the creators of this marvel of ancient engineering? What was their motivation for creating such a complex device? These questions continue to intrigue and inspire scholars and scientists alike. In conclusion, the Antikythera Mechanism stands as a testament to the advanced scientific and technological capabilities of the ancient Greeks. Its discovery challenges our preconceived notions about the timeline of scientific advancement and highlights the ingenuity of the ancient world. As we continue to study and learn from this remarkable device, we are reminded of the enduring legacy of ancient Greek scholarship and its profound impact on the course of human history. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of the Antikythera mechanism, be sure to subscribe for more fascinating stories from history. Together, let's continue to uncover the secrets of the past and explore the wonders of our world.